Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mitsubishi Outlander versus the Mazda CX-5. We'll explore key differences to help you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Outlander is known for its spacious interior and available third row, while the CX-5 excels with its refined driving dynamics and upscale cabin. Let's dive into the specifics of each vehicle. When it comes to performance, the Mazda CX-5 often boasts more robust engine choices, delivering quicker acceleration and a more spirited drive. Its suspension is tuned for a sportier feel, making it enjoyable on winding roads. The Mitsubishi Outlander, however, prioritizes a smoother, more relaxed ride, which can be ideal for daily commuting and family excursions. Both offer capable all-wheel drive systems. Inside, the Mitsubishi Outlander stands out with its available third-row seating, making it a practical choice for larger families or those needing extra passenger capacity. The Mazda CX-5, while only offering 2 rows, impresses with its premium interior finishes and sophisticated design. Both vehicles come equipped with essential safety features and user-friendly infotainment systems, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience for everyone. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you need the flexibility of a third row and a focus on practicality, the Mitsubishi Outlander is a compelling option. For those who prioritize a more upscale interior, engaging driving, and a refined experience, the Mazda CX-5 is likely the better fit. Both are excellent choices in the compact SUV segment. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.